The flagship Samsung Galaxy S series kicks off each year with much anticipation, and the Galaxy S25 was no exception, being announced in January and shipped in February. Looking ahead, it will be about a year before we see the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with steady leaks about its development expected to start rolling in over the coming months. Release date: Samsung likes to get a head start with its flagship phones. The Galaxy S series has crept up to launch earlier each year, typically getting announced in January and shipping by February. Price and deals: the Galaxy S Ultra series is known for its premium pricing. While we don't expect a significant price hike, look out for the usual Samsung deals like enhanced trade-ins, free storage upgrades, and exclusive colors on Samsung.com. Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T also offer substantial discounts with trade-ins and new line activations. Camera: expected camera setup for the Galaxy S26 Ultra includes 200MP main wide camera, 50MP ultra-wide camera, 50MP 5x zoom camera, 10MP 3x zoom camera, 12MP selfie camera. We anticipate some camera upgrades, possibly new resolutions for side sensors and continued improvements to post-processing and video recording capabilities. Storage options are expected to remain 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB. Design: the S25 Ultra brought a redesign with flat sides and rounded corners. The S26 Ultra is likely to continue this design trend. Rumors suggest a hidden under-display selfie camera, but this is yet to be confirmed. Display: a 6.9-inch AMOLED display is expected, with potential upgrades to materials for reduced reflections and improved color separation. Peak brightness might reach up to 3000 nits. Battery: Samsung is expected to maintain a 5000 mAh battery, with improvements coming from processor efficiency and software. Charging specs are likely to remain at 45W wired and 15W wireless. Features and software: the Galaxy S26 Ultra should come with One UI 8 based on Android 16, offering new AI features and 7 years of software support. Samsung's suite of custom apps will continue to enhance the user experience. Hardware and specs: expected specs include CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, potentially 3nm process. RAM, 12 GB. Storage, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB. Camera, 200MP, 50MP ultrawide, 50MP 5x zoom, 10MP 3x zoom, 12MP selfie. Connectivity: Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, NFC.